Alright, playing some Dicey Dungeons to put our mind off Dark Souls. It's being a little annoying, honestly. And we're gonna go for the Inventor. This place is so cool. Does he make random equipment? Because the Thief kinda does that. So... it's time to meet the fourth member of our little squad. What she lacks in attention span, she makes up for in ingenuity. Yes, that's right. It's time for... the Inventor. Wait, how did you do that? I am really a dice? Yes. Oh wow, my little legs. You do have little legs. This shouldn't be possible. I am the all-powerful personification of fate, my dear. Everything is possible. Now, what brought you to the dungeon this evening? Oh, we all caught the train together. It was one of the new Model T-132s with the regenerative brakes. I see, yes. But what, my dear, are you hoping to win? Complete understanding of everything in the universe. Oh, wow. I can tell we're going to have a wonderful time in the dungeons tonight. So let's get started. I mean, that sounds pretty cool. Weaken an equipment with a whisper. Hammer. Okay, very familiar. Combined dice. I'm familiar with all of these. Okay. Although I've never really used Spanner. But I've used stuff like it, so. He's strong against poison. Yes. What does he do? All dice become 6. Wow, that's interesting. So he repeats the next action, does 4 damage. I can weaken, burn all dice. Wait, all my dice? And I can turn this into a 6, inflict a shock, I guess. And burn all his dice too. Okay, well that's nice, I guess. So his dice are all burnt. One of the bite is shocked. He's gonna do 4 damage to me. That's it. That's all he'll do. So I can make 6s pretty easily. And the hammer can be used like that. Okay, I see how it is. Victory, you throw away your boring old gadget. You are inspired to create a new gadget. Wait, I have to destroy an item every single time? Well, screw the pea shooter, I guess. Although I did like my initial stuff. Do 9 damage with the crossbow. Interesting. So I get like a lot of equipment, but I also like every fight I toss out old equipment. Magician, what does he even do? Magic missile, magic shield. He only has 9 health. Rip Bozo. I weaken you for no reason. And I kill you. Dude, I like the spanner and the thing. I got an achievement for basically finishing a fight in 1 turn, I'm pretty sure. A plasma gun. A Thermin. They give me a Thermin. Extra dice, always good. A sword, this does do damage. Alright, very basic, very cool. I cannot fit it. I would rather... you know what? Whatever, I'd rather have... yeah, sure, give me the damn crossbow, who cares? Fight the Dryad, 2 equipment, obviously makes sense to me. She's strong against poison. Don't worry, I'm not going to be poisoning her. I'll do 3 weaken damage. Doesn't really do much, but... I'll do 6 damage, inflict a shock. And then, I don't even know why I would do this, but I can do it, I guess. Wow, okay. Well, she gets 2 health back, does a lot of damage. Halfway to poisoning me heavily too. My limit break is ready. I mean, a limit break just kills you, I think. 1 away. Well, that's honestly pretty terrible. Okay, 6 damage. That doesn't really do anything. Honestly, the shock was pretty weak. Honestly, no. So give me the plasma gun, I guess. Bump, okay. Healing crystal. So it's nice, but it's also like an annoyance. Right? Like, it's nice but also annoying. You know what I mean? Maybe I should have healed a bit, huh? Nah, I'm sure it's fine. See if we can recover health, deal damage to him, more damage to him, we're fine. We can only do one thing, look at that. Although I am weakened a bit now. Oh, well, screw you, buddy. You're dead anyway, my plasma gun is too strong. Leveled up, very nice. Another plasma gun? Sure, I guess. Damage, +2 burn. Oh, but only once per battle. Flamethrower. I mean, that's strong damage. Guess I'll take it. I don't really know. We'll put bump in there as well. Can go to the store. Where's the hammer dude doing the hammering? Gain 1 shield, always offered as scrap. It's scrap metal. Can use that as a sort of... Okay, I see, as a sort of shield. I can do this 3 times? Holy shit, okay. This reduces poison as well. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's pretty damn insane, I would say. Do I want to buy scrap metal as well? Just to... Oh, I guess I cannot. Gotta try this flamethrower. Although I do need another dice to even start using it. Okay, well... That was more exciting a little bit. Before I actually saw what's going on. Well, whatever. You're shocked, hopefully on a good one. The first one? Nope. Okay. He still can't do anything yet, so maybe I'll get him next turn. 5 damage is always good. Whatever, it doesn't really do much for me, and I guess I'll end turn. It's not going very well. No doubles, I like that. Well, okay, horrible. He's a chew spiking me. Goodbye, Sneezy. Mega bump. Blowtorch, well, definitely not. Give me that one. Put the healing crystal in. That's my next scrap target. I have Uno gold. Can't do anything with that. I need to level up stat. Like, immediately I need to level up. Because I cannot use my flamethrower. You're shocked, so I guess just get lucky, I guess. Yo, can I keep... I can keep them in there, I see. Well, unlucky there. Thunder spell will hit. Nope, I cannot keep them in there, I see. This works. Can like heal up a bit, I guess. 4, please, please, shock it, shock it. Ow, bloody hell. Stop shocking my equipment, dude. Honestly? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That won't be 4 dice though. Honestly, focus me and you're just killing him. 24 damage, 4 burn. Insanity play. No! What? I like all of these. Well, great. Electromagnet. Do 4 damage. Adds 2 every use. Wait. Wait. Hold on a second. Add 2 every use forever? It doesn't say for battle. Okay, scrap metal is good. That's safety at least. Well, I would love all of these. Not that I can afford it. Okay, this guy is annoying. Hey, it's a dice enemy. How are you getting on with the dungeon? Feeling at home yet? After all, it's not like you're gonna ever leave. Okay. Well, that didn't really help me at all. But I'm at max HP. And one of your 3 things is gonna be zapped, so you can't use all 3, so you'll just get to freeze 2 of my dice. Oh, but that one also does damage. Well, that sucks. I mean, combining them doesn't really help me. What the hell? He gets perfect rolls? Oh great, now I'm gonna be shocked all the way to hell. I needed to not have shocking thing. Burning. Horrible also. Yeah, thanks for the damn 6s. He rolls like perfect shit every single time. Bro, I'm gonna die. Bro, I hate this. Alright, gain a shield, I guess. It's gonna freaking kill me anyway. Bro, this guy sucks. How do you build a deck with him? You just don't? I can barely do damage to the Jester. Okay, now he wants odds. He has all the odd dice in the world. There you go. All my dice are frozen. Well, you know what? Fuck you. Limit break. Well, not that it helps anyway. I'll need another turn to kill him. Of course. Well, whatever. Fuck you, man. How are you doing this? It's like you believe there's a way out or something. Well, I mean, there's gotta be a way out eventually. Oh, thank God. More dice? Where the frick is my dice, bro? Barricade me. Thank you, my God. Yeah, I needed that. No, midnight trash. Yeah, put the trash out there. That's fine. That's what we need. Vacuum, you're in for a world of hurt. You would have been in for a world of hurt. Then I got these dice. 8 damage. Rather not. Okay, great. On 6 blind dice, and my dice are blinded. Oh, you know what? Fuck you. My dice are all 6s now. Get shit on, asshole. Think you're hot shit. Well, you live this round, but next round you will be dead. I need to do freaking damage, bro. Thank God. Focus. Give me regenerate. Focus can be like a final ability type of deal. What's there to buy? Ooh, an upgrade. I mean, I'm a sucker for the upgrades. Honestly, hammer becomes smaller. That is insanely good. Then I can put my electromagnet in as well. Where am I? Here. We'll fight with the bully first. I know he throws stones. I can regenerate at any time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Honestly. Now I am interested in the +2 after every use. Is it forever? So these rocks only work once. The fists works multiple times. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That works. And keep using this thing because we need to heal. Otherwise, we're kind of screwed. Okay, we are already screwed. Honestly, use this and then that. I think that thing just gets better every single time we use it, no matter what. Honestly, give me focus for now. A buzzer, that's actual trash. The literal dictionary definition of trash is that. Please don't give me the 3 other options. I'll be so mad if you do. Honestly, all dice become 6 is like a normal thing for me now, so I'm just gonna do that. It does reset, so it's not that good. Okay. Well, Wickerman is weak to fire. Holy shit. I don't feel bad, mate. I'll just weave myself back together again. I got another damn achievement. I killed him in a single shot. Did not expect that. Well, Zapper, so get out of here. That's literally why you're there. Duplicate, why do you have to be so fucking big, though? Honestly, it's fine, I guess. I'll give away the other thing. I don't really care about it. Get static shocked. I'll focus. 24 damage. Get, like, insanely burned. Oh yeah. Well, that's horrible. 8 damage for me. And his burn is gone. I have to do 10 damage. 4, 5, 6, 7. I mean, that's literally all I can do. Oh, I hate that he gets another freaking turn. No. Oh my god. I win this, but... Oh, and I level up, don't I? Thank the Lord. Yo, by the way, fuck the electromagnet. It's trash. Copy equipment, scrap metal, or upgrade me, dude. Thank God I can go back. Honestly, copy the flamethrower. That seems insane. I got 2 flamethrowers now. Ooh, but a second. Okay, there you go. Because we need some trash to throw out when he... Yeah, inevitably needs to toss shit out. Bro, this is unsustainable. I have 2 flamethrowers. I won't have 2 flamethrowers when I'm done. I mean, I don't know what I'm gonna do with all these dice. Get burned, I guess, and shocked as well. You're dead next turn for sure. Well, not if you dodge the next attack, I suppose. Well, whatever, he's gonna dodge it anyway. That's all the damage I have. Bro, it's terrible. I am silenced. I'm fucked. I'll get him next turn, I guess, but... Oh, 2 6s, of course. And then he's gonna dodge the next attack too. That's fine. I just need to do 4 damage. I got a 4. Get 5'd on. Fuck you. Fuck you. I can't do 2 attacks in a turn. I'm screwed. I just have to sit here while he slowly kills me. He's gonna dodge it again. I can't do anything. He's always gonna roll an even, obviously. He's rolling doubles every time too as well, just to fuck with me. I need a turn where he's not... Oh my god, where he's not dodging an attack. He's always dodging an attack. And now all I can do is 1 attack. My limit break is ready. It's not that it fucking does anything. All I can do is that and it doesn't even do anything. 1 1 1 4. Nobody got a damn even again. Fuck you, man. He weakens everything as well. So like it's not, I can't even shock the damn thing to stop it. Fuck you, honestly, bro. What the hell is this? I'm just slowly gonna die. Once again, everything is weakened, so I'm just stuck in this perpetual loop. Destined to die. Just keep attacking once and fucking off. Great, a lot of fucking evens again. Okay, I have a fucking chance. Oh no, because even the effect doesn't get applied. Okay, sorry. Okay, I have no chance. I'm sorry. I thought I said I had a chance. I had no chance. I'll just sit here and die. I'm going to die. He rolled a 2, which means I'm dead. That's 5 more damage out for me. Okay. Bro, screw the inventor. This lady sucks. He got a 2 again. So of course he's gonna dodge. Oh, and I'm silenced just for shits and giggles. I'm gonna lose my very first run. Because the game fucking sucks. 1 HP. Look at this limit break. Doesn't even fucking do anything. Goodbye, cruel world, I guess. Just fucking kill me. Wow, exactly. So great. Inventor was defeated. Of course he was. I've unlocked the witch still. Hey everyone, I'm hashtag blessed to be going on this amazing adventure with you. Don't forget to subscribe for updates. I'm gonna try again. Manage your inventory with the inventory way. Turn those boring old swords and shields into neat little gadgets. Welcome back to Dicey Dungeons, where our contestants' wildest dreams just might come true. Have you paid attention to dreams lately, by the way? I don't dream myself, but I'm told they're terrible. Great. Well, whatever. Fuck you. Basic sword. That's bait to toss out. Like all of this. These two are good cards, though. You force me to toss them out, I'll be very mad. Great. Well, burn his dice anyway. Well, this doesn't help me, so I'm just gonna do this, I guess. Doesn't really matter. He's dead anyway, so that's fine. First enemy, Space Marine, is dead. And honestly, sword become a plasma gun. That's actually a pretty good piece of equipment. Crossbow, that's also bait you can just toss out. That's fine, not very good. Robobot. I mean, I wish I could do some damage here, but whatever. Ray gun is unlocked. Minimum 3. Wow, you got a lot of use out of that, huh? Oh, whatever. My health is back. The pea shooter can go. Snowflake is also bait to toss out. Okay, good. I need upgrades to make like my good stuff smaller so I can fit more good stuff. Oh, what is this horrible roll? I mean, I guess here you go. Two ones. Okay, that's actually not that bad for me. Much better. There you go. Get that 4. Oh, get screwed, buddy. Seven damage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, that doesn't work. Honestly, make this a 4. Freeze one of his dice. We'll get him next turn. Yeah, 2 and a 1. They're not really awe-inspiring. It should be completely fine. Especially when I can just do this. The snowflake can be killed, or the crossbow, I guess. Honestly, kill the crossbow because it's large. Alright, Dryad time. Strong against poison. My limit break is ready. I'm an idiot, but that's fine. Oh, get shocked, by the way. Your Venus flytrap is shocked. Oh, you're just adding poison? What a bullshit thing to do. How positively draw. Get frozen and shocked. Aha, what are you gonna do now? 4 damage and then putting 1 towards your poison. That makes a lot of sense. Unfortunately for you, I got a 6, so get hammered. And honestly, get a P gun. I still like the flamethrower, honestly. The flamethrower seems nice. If I can just get it to work. Okay, I have 4 gold. Scrap metal costs 4. Do 6 damage. I can use it 3 times. That's already pretty good, but an upgraded flamethrower is just so good. But if I get the option flamethrower, hammer, spanner, I'm gonna just fucking throw up. So make the hammer smaller. We need more equipment. I can't buy anything. Well, I guess we hope and pray he doesn't throw out all the good equipment I've got here. Well, you're nearly dead. Well, now the big question. Thank God, they give me snowflake. Good. Dice value +1, that's also bait to throw out. I'd also buy this 6-shooter. Also bait to just toss out, I think. Or I could keep it. Either way, it's pretty good. Baby squid. I don't know if I'm playing this character right anyway. There you go. Fire, shocked, ice. What happened to the ice? Oh, that's not a 6. I wasn't a 5. I'm running into the same problem. I don't really have ways to oh my. That just works, yeah. Bump becomes mega bump, I guess. That makes sense. Broadsword. Well, that's some good damage, honestly. Thing is, if I what do we have here? Dagger costs a singular gold. Take it. That's bait to toss out. Scrap metal, again, that's bait to toss out, but we can hold off on that for a second. Let's try and get the 6-shooter out first. A mega bump. Combine the 5s. Honestly, do 6 damage and burn his dice. Good turn, good start. And he's gonna drain my health, which does lower my health too. It's pretty bad. Mega bump gets me a better thing. And then we can just use my small dice to just do damage with the dagger. Oh great, I've got a bunch of blinded dice. That's a 6. And I get daggered. Alright. You see, I can deal with these people. Okay, flock the flamethrower then. We're not gonna try and push the flamethrower ahead. Guess we'll put the scrap metal in as well now. I want to use the broadsword. I guess, you know what? If I want to use the broadsword, I should not use the broadsword. Ray gun is just a worse dagger. Put that in for now. I would like to upgrade. I will not be able to upgrade. I will not be able to do anything actually. Well, that's nice. Weak to ice. I think when they say weak to ice, we take double damage to the ice. There you go. He needs even. He got 1 even. He burned my 1. Honestly, just go crazy. So the ray gun, yeah, okay, ray gun is just worse. It's minimum 3 now. Oh my god, Fury. I mean, I'll take it because I need to, but that is good. Yeah, I'll scrap ray gun, otherwise I'll scrap metal, obviously. So scrap metal is like nice to have just as a safety. Wish there was an option to scrap nothing though. Wouldn't that be nice? Fury me. Shock 2 of his damn things. Do that, do this, do this. Well, 2 of your things are going to be shocked. Have fun with that. Okay, he's going to do a 6. Yeah, he's going to use a hammer on me. It's like I hammer him, he hammers me. You know, we have a whole thing going. Six shooter, honestly, is pretty damn good. Okay, we got the ray gun, so we're gonna scrap that. Put the dagger in instead. Whisper, honestly, another thing I would like to throw out. Loud bird, do I have multiple attacks for your ass? I freaking do. Get screwed. You will not kill me this time, loud bird. You're about to become soft bird, you know what I mean. We'll do this, get ourselves a 6. How do you like that? Yeah! Get out of here with your flight. Silence, I don't care. Beacon, that actually hurts pretty badly, but that's fine. I have so much equip. Oh, bloody hell. Well, little shield never hurt anybody. How does he keep getting doubles? Oh my god, the perfect roll for him. He got his ideal roll. Please don't, not the hammer, bro. Okay, here's a dodge. Get screwed. Yo, get killed, loud bird. That's what you fucking deserve. Loud ass bird. Scrap metal, because I don't want to get rid of anything that is actually important to me. Electromagnet is also something I can get rid of. We'll put in Whisper instead of scrap metal. Yeah, we'd like to get rid of none of these. Okay, that's bad. Put electromagnet in so we can get rid of either the Whisper or electromagnet. Keep the broadsword. I think the broadsword is pretty good, honestly. So I'll be leveling up anyway, so might as well take all the health. Weak to fire. I wish I had a fire attack. I don't think I do. I have a barricade. I can do this. Unfortunately, he has 4 different equipment, so this doesn't really help me. I guess I can do that. It gets a bit stronger for this fight at least. That's like 2 odds. Well, could be worse, I guess. Oh my god, I rolled an insanely good thing. Not that it matters at all because I got screwed. I should just do damage instead of trying to weaken him. Oh my god, he got a very good roll. 3 of my dice will be frozen. I rolled okay too. God damn it. Okay, well, focus me. I should have maybe weakened him first. Well, whatever. That's all evens. We love to see it. Goodbye. Electromagnet honestly gets going. Once it gets going, it's pretty strong. What upgrades can I get? Add one, electromagnet becomes smaller. Broadsword gets one extra damage. Come on. Electromagnet becomes smaller, honestly, means I can fit the broadsword as well. I like that. But these are all things I want. Oh my god, not again. Well, you're gonna get screwed. That's 5. Well, I can at least do this. And then count down towards doing some real damage. Oh great, wow, 6s, huh? Bunch of 6s. Well, at least, I mean, he could have done his weaker stuff too. I wish the 3 weakness was like actual weakness instead of just fake one. But you know, what are you gonna do? Yeah, I can't do much. The inventor sucks, dude. Like, it's so hard to actually build a run with her. Because, like, whatever you build just gets taken away from you at the end. Like, what if I even should I build? Yeah, there you go. Something's gonna get taken away. I want to keep the electric. Honestly, the broadsword. Hook shot. Toss it, honestly. Come in, take a seat. Picked up some great wiring from Robobot this morning. I reckon I've got plenty decent upgrades to offer. Well, I hope so. Upgrade my dagger, I guess. Minimum of 3, but it does like an extra 1 damage. Plasma gun needs a 2. So that should get thrown out if I get the chance. That was an okay first turn, considering. He gets to do everything, huh? Wow. Wow, okay. Unlock my dice that I need. What am I even gonna do with this? I don't know what I'm doing, man. Yeah, fuck his glue. Oh, not that it matters. He's just locking me up, I guess. I remember it has +1 used this turn, so it's not even that good. It's not fair, it's not fair. I'm telling Lady Luck. Well, go ahead and do it. Is Lady Luck your mom or something? God damn it. Take all my good shit. Why not take fucking hook shot, man? I wanted to give away hook shot anyway. Take it away from me. Like, combine everything, I guess. Here you go. We'll start working on the electromagnet, I guess. Great! She's gonna get her high note. She's gonna get it pretty quickly. Good. Good enough. We'll save that for next time. Wow, what high fucking rolls, bro! Well, here it comes. Massive fucking hit. Oh, great. On the one thing I needed to. Do this. Shock 2 hopefully will help me out. Okay, well, high note is not shocked, but that's fine. Oh, but it's perfect for her because great. Well, at least I'm not dead. Those sixes could have gone towards killing me instead. Well, I need one more turn to not die. Do you think that's possible? It is possible. It's gonna be very close though, bro. If I can't even do the first level with this horrible person. Ugh, that sucks. Well, adversity fuels art. I'll turn this into a song. Yeah, whatever. You do that. See, I need another level if I'm gonna steal. Well, good. I guess do that. Counterfeit. Honestly, I'm ashamed. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna buy everything on the shop. Honestly, because I need it. Keep the shovel on me. Attack the rhino beetle and try and level up one last time. Good thing, good dice. What do you mean, Fuck you. I don't want to deal 6 damage to myself, you fucking crazy? Well, if I would have known that beforehand, I would have used that. Well, there comes 8 damage for me. I need to survive this. Limit break ready. Focus me. Can I not steal now? I mean, 1 HP is a very bad look. Maybe with another turn I can... Oh my god. That's 4 damage. If I can survive this, which is a big if. Duplicate the 6. Steal an equipment. Okay. That's 6 damage. That's 6 damage. That's 8 damage. Holy shit, I made it. I can't believe it. Okay, well, at least I made it to the damn boss. Duplicate all dice. That seems like an insanely good thing to have for the end. And put the shovel in there as well. That's like a secondary hammer. Alright. Who is it? Madison? So it's a Girl Scout? Alright, well, I'll kick her ass. Hi, I'm Madison. I'm 12 years old and I'm here to make sure you lose. Alright, Lady of Little Words. Well, guess what? I have a insanely powerful clone device. So, you're about to get your arse handed to you. Especially because I have a reusable thing that I can just do this with. Yeah, you're kind of screwed. I'm kind of bossing with this thing. Okay, so you have a pocket knife. Okay, and you're burning. That's nice. I like to clone everything again. Beacon and shock. Holy shit, this is good. Electromagnet you, that just sets up. I think you're dead next turn, Madison. Okay, wow, needs a 6. You got a 6. Or do I have something for you? Focus. You see these 6s? Goodbye. Okay, so she can pop off, kinda. But like, it varies like massively between turns. You're doing so well, congratulations. Welcome to the victory stage. We're gonna spin the wheel to see whether you won yourself a nice little prize. What was it you were after again? I want to have complete understanding of everything in the universe. Ah, don't we all? Right, let's spin the wheel and see. It's gonna land on the skull. Everyone knows this. Here we go, it's the skull. Nope, it looks like you're out of luck this time. But maybe next episode. Can you at least tell me how the wheel works? It's so cool. Haha, no, I definitely can't. Cut. Did anyone hear me? I said cut, stop filming. Alright, Enter the Inventor is done. Next time we'll go for the witch. To unlock episodes... We don't even know how to unlock this one. So we'll get the witch next. Alright, hopefully better than the inventor. She's a horrible character, but whatever. I'll see you in the next one.